So a common question on the examination is whether or not you should guess when the correct answer isn't known for certain. We strongly encourage you to answer every single question. Unlike some other professional exams, there are no penalties for guessing incorrectly. But the rationale for guessing is motivated by more than just the fact that it can't hurt you. In fact, prominent social work researchers recently studied the validity of the exam you're preparing to take. I've included an abstract of the study I'm about to talk about below. So during this research, a sample version of the licensure exam was administered to a large group of first-year MSW students. It's important to emphasize that these were first-year students, so they had not had almost any exposure to the exam before. In addition, they were provided tests with the questions crossed out. That means the exams were provided containing only the multiple choice responses. The questions weren't visible. And so they had to guess the correct answer without even being provided the question. The multiple choice questions had 4 possible responses, so we would expect that these students would score a roughly at chance level of 25%, because they would have to guess from one of 4 possible answers. Surprisingly, and importantly for our purposes here in preparing you for the test, in the absence of having MSW training and in the absence of being provided with the actual test questions, these first-year MSW students were able to guess the correct answer on over 50% of the items, much better than chance. The implications of these findings suggest very important test-taking strategies for you. Number 1, answer every single question on the exam. And number 2, and the point of this short video, if you don't know an answer to a given question, consider ignoring the question and examining just the possible answers. See if any particular answer seems to stand out from the rest. Consider whether any given answer might reflect issues of safety or social work values more than others.